Hello everyone. In this video, let's understand what is Hilbert space. So we hear this term in lot in quantum mechanics, and so we will look at it using a single qubit system as an example. So we can write a single qubit system as something like this. So here the alpha and beta are the complex numbers, and they are chosen such that norm of these values are 1. So that the probability, since these are complex probability, it should sum up to 1. So this is the condition we have to represent the complex probabilities for a single qubit system. Now you might ask me why these complex numbers are there. Like, to represent probabilities we can have the real number, and these quantum states actually has wave-like behavior. They constructively and destructively interfere. A quantum state with the same amplitude but with different phase can actually interact in a different way with other quantum states. So this we really observe in the nature, and to capture that, the only way is that this alpha and beta should both have magnitude and phase. So that's why these are complex numbers. So in this single qubit system, we have the 0 and 1 as the basis vectors. These are called as the basis vectors, and so we have our quantum state as the complex probability with the basis vector. So now what is the Hilbert space here? So for a single qubit system, the Hilbert space is nothing but all possible complex two-component vectors that you can form with using this alpha and beta and the basis vector 0 and 1. So it is denoted like this, something like this. This is the complex two-dimensional vector space that contains all possible alpha and beta, where this alpha and beta belong to the complex number in such a way that they must satisfy this condition that alpha square plus beta square is 1, the normalization condition. So in short, the Hilbert space is the space of all allowed state vectors, because with all possible alpha and beta for this basis vectors that it can take for a qubit, for one qubit system. It's just the space, the vector space. Alpha can be take one value, beta, as long as this condition is satisfied, all possible alpha beta with this basis vector is known as the Hilbert space. This is Hilbert space for you. Thank you for watching.